Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith and welcome to Math Practice with Ziggy. That's right, Ziggy's taking over. She is going to type a number in expanded form and then you need to write down what that number is in standard form. Here we go. Here's a number in expanded form. Can you write down that same number in standard form? Press pause, write it down. Ziggy says in standard form the number is 75. Do you agree? She's ready to try another. What number would look like this in expanded form? Go. How would you write that in standard form? Check your answer with Ziggy. She's typing in the answer. $305.3. Did you get it? Here's one more. She just finished typing it before she had to hop away. The number in standard form looks like this. What would that look like in expanded form? Press pause, write it down. Does it look like this? Without the bunny? I hope so. Thanks for joining us for this super quick review. We'll see you next time on Bunnies Know Everything. Bye-bye.